1. The 1962 Plymouth Valiant is currently on sale, and it can be an exciting offer for retro car lovers. This car retains its original character and offers a unique style of the past decades. The car is made in the original mint green color both outside and inside, including the ceiling. It is equipped with 4 doors and a unique button-type gearshift system, which makes it even more distinctive. This Plymouth Valiant is in good technical condition, works perfectly and drives. There is a little rust on the front right side of the floor, as well as some corrosion in the trunk. There is also a small spot with paint bubbles on the front passenger door measuring approximately 2 inches long and 1 inch high. This 1962 Plymouth Valiant is priced at $8,000, and it is a unique option for those who appreciate the preservation of originality and character in classic cars. It offers the opportunity to own a piece of automotive history that has preserved its unique style for many decades. 2. Currently, the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado Coupe 2D is on sale, and this can be an exciting option for connoisseurs of classic cars. This Cadillac retains its pristine style and offers some improvements for comfortable driving. The car has a smooth body and a running engine. It is equipped with an electronic ignition system and additional air conditioning, which makes trips on it more pleasant. However, it should be noted that the lamellae of the headlight doors are not functioning at the moment. The original interior of the car is in good condition, without torn areas on the ceiling. The car is not registered, but has a clean title in stock. It is important to note that questions about the availability of the car will be ignored, and a tow truck will be required to move it. This 1967 Cadillac Eldorado Coupe 2D is priced at $8,500, and it offers the opportunity to become the owner of an elegant representative of automotive history. Despite some shortcomings, this Cadillac retains its unique style and can become an exciting project for connoisseurs of classics. 3. At the moment, the 1970 Buick Skylark Coupe 2D is on sale, and this may be an interesting option for those who are looking for a project to restore a classic car. This Buick Skylark retains its character and offers some improvements for the potential owner. The car is equipped with a powerful 455 cubic inch engine. The transmission is unknown, but there is a drive shaft. It is also worth noting that a carburetor system for using E85 fuel is installed. At the moment, the car is running, although according to the owner, there is no oil in the engine at the moment. This Buick Skylark requires noticeable interior work, and the owner expresses openness to exchange for rear-wheel drive cars with a manual transmission. It is important to note that the owner also points out the need to work with the interior, which makes this car an ideal project for those who want to invest their skills in restoring a classic Buick. The price of this 1970 Buick Skylark Coupe 2D is $8,500, which makes it an affordable project for those who are looking for a fascinating restoration of the silhouette of this elegant model from Buick. 4. The 1970 Jaguar XJ is currently available for sale, and it can be a fascinating option for connoisseurs of British cars with distinctive style and elegance. This Jaguar XJ combines luxury design and technology of its time. The car is equipped with an automatic transmission and has a mileage of 150,000 miles. The body is painted green, characteristic of many classic Jaguar cars, creating a unique look. However, given the time that has elapsed since production, there may be some signs of aging. The description from the seller does not contain details about the condition of the interior, but the color of the interior remains mysterious. It is important to note that this car has its own unique appeal, which can attract connoisseurs of vintage cars, especially British ones. The 1970 Jaguar XJ is priced at $8,500. This car offers the opportunity to own a piece of automotive history with Jaguar's refined style and character. 5. At the moment, the 1975 Cadillac DeVille Coupe 2D is on sale, and this may be an attractive option for those who appreciate the comfort and luxury of classic American cars. This Cadillac DeVille has a number of features that make it an interesting choice. The car is currently in good technical condition and is functioning successfully. It has a clean title and low mileage, which can be attractive to collectors and lovers of cars with great historical significance. Thanks to the 500 cc V8 engine and automatic transmission, this machine offers reliability and power. The interior of the car is in excellent condition, which emphasizes the care of details. However, it is worth noting that the body requires painting, and there are several places with corrosion. But these are visual aspects that can be improved while maintaining overall structural integrity. The price of this 1975 Cadillac DeVille Coupe 2B is $5,500. This car provides an opportunity to purchase a stylish representative of the era and appreciate the unique comfort and character of classic Cadillac. Thanks to the refreshing appearance, the new owner can bring his own style and restore the shine of this classic American car. 6. A rare classic 1973 Mercedes-Benz 450 SLC model is currently on sale for $9,000. This beautiful vintage car, over 50 years old, is a unique opportunity for collectors and connoisseurs of Mercedes. The car, equipped with the original pink title, is 99% rust-free and has a blue license plate of the state of California. This rare Mercedes-Benz 450 SLC is a very original copy with a mileage of 143,000 miles, which successfully functions including the factory electric sunroof and windows. The car demonstrates a high standard for daily use, providing the driver with the pleasure of unique driving. Its level of preservation makes it an excellent example of a driver's car among collectors. This rare and stylish Mercedes-Benz 450 SLC will be a decoration for any collection of classic cars and provides an opportunity to enjoy a unique driving experience with the original characteristics and style of this era. 7. At the moment, a Project 1969 Buick Skylark is on sale, and this may be of interest to those who are looking for a classic car with the possibility of completing the project. This Buick Skylark provides the foundation for a unique restoration with modern accents. This car was started in the project, but the owner is forced to sell it due to personal circumstances. The Buick Skylark body has been painted in a colorful shade of red velvet red pearl tint coat, and although there are some places that need improvement, it provides a good starting point for completing the project. The interior needs to be completed, but some work has already been done, such as installing new black vinyl on the seats and a new ceiling. A new vinyl top and tinted glass were also installed. The entire body kit was powder painted black, giving the car a modern look. The mechanical part has also been updated, including a rebuilt differential with a Posey limiter, new disc/drum brakes, as well as repairs to the frame and front mounting. The car comes with new 20-inch US mags wheels, powder-coated with new tires. The owner also claims that he has several boxes with new spare parts, as well as a digital dashboard Dakota. The price of this 1969 Buick Skylark is $8,000 and has a clean title for part-time drive. This car provides an opportunity to assemble a unique and stylish project of a modern classic car. 8. Currently on sale is a restored 1971 Volkswagen Beetle a few years ago at a price of $9,900. This beautifully restored car is an excellent opportunity to purchase a classic Volkswagen Beetle, which has undergone the restoration process and is in excellent condition. With an orange body color and beige interior, this Volkswagen Beetle attracts attention with its stylish appearance. According to the description from the seller, the car has a mileage of 77,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. This car was restored several years ago, and its condition does not cause problems. The seller claims that the vehicle has no serious damage or problems, and at the time of sale there are no credit debts on it. The price of $9,900 makes this Volkswagen Beetle affordable and attractive for collectors and lovers of classic cars. This car can be a great addition to your collection or a reliable daily vehicle with a unique style. 9. Currently on sale is a 1971 Chevrolet El Camino for $9,000. This car is offered without an installed engine and transmission, but according to the description from the seller, it has no signs of rust and was in operation only 2 years ago. An additional seat is also included. This Chevrolet El Camino was originally a driver's car, and despite the lack of a motor and transmission at the moment, it provides a good basis for a restoration or modification project. The absence of rust improves its overall condition and makes it attractive to those looking for a project with minimal corrosion problems. The price of $9,000 makes this Chevrolet El Camino affordable for those looking for a classic car with the possibility of restoration. The seller also clarifies that there is an additional seat, which can be an additional bonus for the buyer, and opens up opportunities for customization of the cabin. This car provides a unique opportunity to recreate or creatively modernize the Chevrolet El Camino according to your own preferences and vision. 10. Currently on sale is a 1965 Buick Skylark Coupe 2D for $9,000. This car project was conceived as a restomod using a 5.3 liters engine and a 4L60 transmission. According to the seller, the engine was partially modified, and the transmission was completely repaired and updated with the installation of the Monster Stage II kit. Having decided to focus on other endeavors, the owner puts up for sale this project with many new details. The full list is included in the images. The engine and transmission are installed and secured. A new tubular suspension, front and rear, was also installed. The body is in good condition, although some sheet metal work is required, and the kit includes the floors needed for restoration. The car comes with a clean Nebraska title, and the price is $9,000. The seller is ready to discuss the possibility of delivery within a reasonable radius for an additional fee. This Buick Skylark project provides an excellent opportunity for those who are looking for a car to complete a resto mode with unique modifications and improvements.